Palagi naman kapag nag-uumpisa yung fire prevention, doon nagkakaroon ng fire. But so far, we have instructed most of our municipalities to be aware, especially po sa yung mga areas ng mga Karasi, Pindig, even Sonsona, nagkakaroon po tayo ng So, we have also stepped up. So, I've also asked the cooperation of our fire superintendent na si Roxanne Parado to help us out also in all this. So, we are doing joint efforts po na para And right now, I believe we are working closely with our barangay range officers, yung mga pros natin, na talagang to keep their eyes open sa sa mga brush fire. Kasi normally at this time medyo nagiging dry na kasi ng mga forest. So we are heavily relying on our pros.